Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this eyeshadow, and if you guys want to know how I got this hair, I do have a tutorial on this hair. It's on my channel. Go check it out if you guys haven't. But if you guys want to see how I got this eyeshadow, then just stay tuned and let's get started. Using my new palette from my BoxyCharm March box. It's gonna be this one. If you guys have this palette, you guys can follow along. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelid using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. We just need a little bit, so just go ahead and blend the concealer on your eyelid. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with our transition color, and I'm using actually this little Huda palette, but you guys can use any palette that has like a light shade, but I'm using this shade right here. So go ahead and blend that all over the eyelid, and I'm just doing a circular motion. I don't even know if you guys can see it. Honestly, this transition color is not meant to like be seen. It's just meant to blend your brown with this, so it's fine if you can't really see it. I need chapstick because my lips feel so freaking dry. I'm gonna go in with the brown color in the palette, and these colors are really pigmented, like really pigmented, and start blending it on the crease only. So I'm gonna tap the color right here. So just go ahead and start blending it in. For this, I'm doing like windshield motion. Wow, you see how these colors are blending in so freaking long? Alright, and I'm gonna go in with the transition brush and just blend in the top of it. Okay, so you see how we have that nice smooth blend? That's what we want. So now I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna use my MAC concealer to cut my crease in a flat brush. Start filling it in with the concealer. Like that. And then we're gonna go in with this purple chrome color, this one right here. So now go ahead and fill out the cut crease with that purpley chrome shade. So to get that like bluish undertone, I'm gonna be using the blue one right here too. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in actually with this luster cream eyeshadow. It's from, I don't know what that brand is, but it's like a shimmery eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this beginning of the eyelid. So I'm just gonna blend it in with my finger. Yeah, this gives it like an extra pop. And I'm gonna do my foundation, so I'm gonna put another pasador so my hair doesn't get in the way, like that. I'm gonna go in again with the purple chrome color just to go on top so we can like give it that purple shade. On the edge, we're gonna go in with this color right here. It's next to the brown. It's like the mauvey purple. Going with that color, I'm just gonna start blending it in right here. The blue is only supposed to be like a peekaboo color. And we're done with the eyeshadow, guys. Ooh, okay. So I'm just applying my concealer. I'm wearing the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. It is so freaking good. Alright, so I'm going to be bronzing my face with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. So we do a fish. Bronze the forehead. Bronze my nose. Whatever is left on the brush, I just apply it on my nose and my jawline, so you know my double chin doesn't pop through. Let's use this one. I'm gonna be using the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brighten. It's this brush right here. Blush. Just apply it on my cheeks. And now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be back with the final look. Hey my beauties, so I am back. This is the final look. And excuse me if I have glue on this eyelash. I was like struggling to put it on. I'm gonna fix it later on, but you know, you can't really tell unless I go like, but yeah, this is the final look. So I am ready. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a video. And stay safe guys. Bye. Mwah.